Welcome student. Subject name Switchgear and Protection. In short, SAP. Subject code 22524. Branch Electrical Engineering. Semester 5th I. Topic Zone of Protection and Backup Protection. Myself Lad AK. Today we will discuss zones of protection. What is meant by zone of protection and how to protect our area or our substation point, how to fault not came in our substation or our zone. Zone of protection of relay is the place or the distance that the relay can protect easily. As shown in following figure, example of protection zone for 3 circuit breakers, it is to be noted that the protection zones are overlap. In diagram, we will see substation 1, substation 2 and substation 3. Substations means zone of protection 1, zone of protection 2 and zone of protection 3. As shown in diagram, in power system, all power system elements must be composed by least one zone. The first point, the more important element must be included in the least two zone. And second one, zones must be overlapped to prevent any element from being unprotected. Third one, the overlap must be finite but small to minimize the likelihood of a fault inside the region. A zone boundary is usually defined as CT and CB. CT provides ability to detect the fault of the zone and CB provides the ability to isolate the fault. In this point, we will mind it the two boundary point CT and CB. CT means provide the ability to fault and CB means provide the ability to isolate the fault. The next point, close and open protection zone. Closed zone protection and open zone protection as shown in diagram. See here and watch carefully the diagram. Relay 87 distance and relay 50 by 51 over current, and following is zone are overlap. The following zone 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 5 zones are overlap each other. Next point, backup protection. What is meant by backup? It is essential that provision to be made to clear the fault by some alternative protection system in case of the primary protection fails to operate. These are referred to backup protection system. म्हणजेच आपल्याला बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शनची का आवश्यकता असते? जेव्हा आपण प्रायमरी प्रोटेक्शनला क्लिअरली प्रोव्हाइड नाही करू शकलो, त्यावेळेस जे अल्टरनेटिव्ह गोष्ट किंवा अल्टरनेटिव्ह एखादी वेळेवर एखाद्या गोष्टीचा उपयोग करून घेणे, त्याला म्हणतात बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द सिस्टम. This is referred by backup protection system. Ideally, primary backup are independent relay, breaker, CT and PT. Next one, slower than primary. Sometimes backup protection open more circuit breaker than absolutely necessary to clear the fault. Provide primary protection when the usual primary equipment out of सर्व्हिस. जेव्हा प्रायमरी इक्विपमेंट हे आउट ऑफ सर्व्हिसमध्ये जातं त्याच वेळेस आपण बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शनमधले इक्विपमेंटचा उपयोग करतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल रिले, ब्रेकर, CT अँड PT. समटाईम्स लोअर दॅन प्रायमरी. प्रायमरीपेक्षा पण आपण साधे गोष्टींचा वापर करतो. 2 types of backup protection. Backup relaying may be installed locally in the same substation or remote in other substation places. आपल्याला बॅकअप कुठल्या ठिकाणी गरजेचं असतं? जिथं ज्या सबस्टेशनला किंवा ज्या लोकल स्टेशनला जिथे काही प्रॉब्लेम आलेला असतो त्याच ठिकाणी आपण बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शनचा उपयोग करत असतो. For example, there are 2 types of backup, local backup and remote backup, in which local backup clear fault in the same station where the failure was occurred. कधी वापरतो आपण लोकल बॅकअप? जेव्हा सबस्टेशनमध्ये किंवा झोनमध्ये तिथे काही इक्विपमेंट फेल्युअर कंडिशनला असेल त्यावेळेस आपण लोकल बॅकअप यूज करतो. अँड रिमोट बॅकअप क्लिअर्स फॉल्ट स्टेशन मे फ्रॉम वेअर द फेल्युअर हॅज ऑकर्ड. तिथे पण जेव्हा फॉल्ट येतो त्यावेळेसच आपण रिमोट बॅकअप यूज करतो. लोकल बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शन ॲट द डिफरन्शिएट लोकेशन. सी हिअर द डायग्राम. लोकल बॅकअपची इथे डायग्राम दाखवलेली आहे. इथे झोन इंडिकेट केलेले आहेत आणि त्या इंडिकेटला ही त्या जे झोन तुम्ही इंडिकेट होत आहे डायग्राममध्ये ते लोकल बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शन कशा प्रकारे होतं ते ह्या डायग्राममध्ये इंडिकेट केलेलं आहे. Next point, remote backup protection. In remote backup protection, the above diagram as shown in this slide, substation A and substation B. And how to protect substation A and substation B. Selectivity and zones of protection. Selectivity is defined as in terms of regions of power system, zones of protection for which given relay responsible, and the relay will be considered secure if it responds only to fault within its zone of protection. For example, consider the following simple power system. The above diagram is the example of discuss the local remote backup protection of 2 fault location are as follows. And the first case is local backup as shown in figure. Breaker close and breaker open. For the fault F1, suppose For the fault F1, suppose that breaker J operate and breaker H fail to operate. And the next one, remote backup. Remote backup in which breaker close or breaker open. The fault F1 suppose that breaker J operate, the breaker H fail the operate. Therefore E, F, L and M must be operate as remote backup protection. Thank you.